Hey, it's Dennis again, gearing up for Inktober, trying to do a little bit of practicing with some little sketches, and recorded one today of a quick little bird feather, and just wanted to share that with you today. So today I'll be drawing this. Hey there. Yeah, this year just really kind of gearing up for Inktober. Just trying to to get some of my ideas straight. I think so that was part of the challenge from last year. I think was it wasn't necessarily the sketching; it was the ideas. Um, I think the better you can, the more you can be ready, the better off you'll be. If you're trying to come up with ideas same day, I'm sure you guys are great, and I think you guys will be fine. But for me, it helps to kind of plan ahead. So so I'm cheating a little bit here and trying to do a little bit of practicing here for Inktober. I took one prompt and I'm working on that now. But I think for me, like I said, the sketching's not the hard part. It's the planning and the ideas for the prompts. But hope you guys are gearing up for it and getting ready for it. So, but I mean, for my drawing, I think I'm pretty happy with the progress I've made over the past few years. I was telling somebody the other day, I said, I really haven't been back to drawing for about another probably 4 years. I went to art school, but I went a long period of time without doing a lot of art and doing a lot of drawing, and I think it took one of these challenges to really kind of get me back into it and really kind of get things kick-started for me and kind of get me motivated. So I can appreciate Inktober and appreciate the other art challenges that people are creating for the art community. But my art's kind of coming along. I think I'm starting to develop kind of my own style, I guess, that I'm comfortable with. I do like the control of the tech pens. I've dabbled a little bit here and there with the brush pens and just I don't know. I think I just like the control of the line. Brushes have never been my favorite, including painting. Like painting class in college. I got through it, but just I don't know. I think it's just the messiness of it, and just trying to keep everything clean and straight was a challenge for me. But I think that's where I reach my comfort level with the pen is that I have a high level of control with the different nib thicknesses and the line. The ink dries quick, so I just I have quite a bit of control as I'm working on these drawings. So, but over the past probably year or so, I've really kind of gotten to a point where I'm working on the different thicknesses of the lines. A lot of the outer the outer line is a little bit thicker. A lot of the details tend to have some variation. They tend to be a little thinner line. Like for some of the birds that I worked on, some of the detail on the wings and some of the details in the feathers, they tend to be a little bit thinner of a line than the outside border. But there's a lot of different ways you can handle that. But that's kind of my approach, and I guess my style as I'm working on kind of developing my own thing. But I think I'm starting to develop a comfort level with that, and I'm trying to I've tried to carry that over to some other things instead of nature in the past, and sometimes it works out, and sometimes it doesn't. But I think the fun in it is trying new things and seeing how that carries over. But at the end of the day, I like I enjoy the nature drawings, and I enjoy really kind of digging into you know uh, like the birds, digging into the feather detail and digging into some of the detail into the nature stuff. But I don't know. You might see some different stuff from me later. I think I do have some interest in like robot type things. Just drawing machines and drawing more technical type of drawings. But like I said, I haven't really gotten too deep into that, and would really like to work on practicing some of that. But maybe when I get better at some of this line work, and really start to hone in on that side, maybe I'll try some different things. But I do enjoy the nature, and I think that's in some of the work on the birds that I've done. So I'm going to try to kind of finish off some of that. But I think I was originally talking a couple months ago about doing a book, and that's still my goal, is to really take some of these bird drawings and put together a series of like 30 or 40 birds, and put that together all in kind of a single collection. So I'm moving along pretty well. I think I'm at about 20 to 25 different drawings for that, and once I reach probably 30 or 40, I'll probably start to put that together in more of a book format, and just start kind of compiling that. But the collections are fun for me. I like kind of having my go-to for the day. If I know that I'm drawing a bird, I can look up the various birds. If it's for Indiana, I can look up Indiana birds. I kind of know what to draw and what I'm going to be working on. I think that if I wake up and don't really know what I'm going to work on that day, I don't really have a plan for the day, then I think I'm just a lot slower, and it takes me a lot longer to put stuff together, and just don't really know what I'm going to work on. So having a plan is good. Having a format to work within, I think, helps me. I don't know if everyone's like that, but I like to know, what pens I'm using, what I'm going to be drawing for the day, and just have a plan for stuff. So I think that works pretty well for me. So just having a plan. But so yeah, just really trying to do more art, and keep doing more art every day. I think sometimes life gets in the way. Having kids and having a full-time job, and really trying to do do a lot of other things kind of prevents me from doing drawing sometimes every day. But I really try to get back to it, and have some consistency to it as I go through. But I think just staying at it, and really working hard, and trying new things, I think is what helps me the most. But yeah, as I go through, I'm really going to try to shoot for the 31 days for Inktober this year. I hope everyone's kind of doing the same, or doing something, to get that consistency, and to encourage that daily sketchbook, and really trying to work hard, on making yourself better. But work on the techniques, work on the line work on the anatomy if you're drawing animals or people, work on those basic foundations. If you're working on comics, look at other comic stuff, and really try to work on really getting better at what you do, and just practicing every day. I think it's the way to do it. But it's not hard, but it's it is. What's hard about it is maintaining that consistency. So just stay at it, and work hard, and don't get frustrated. We all have good and bad days. So good luck, and hope to see some good drawing this year.
Hey, just want to say thanks for watching, and more to come very soon. More sketches, more nature stuff to come. So thanks again. Have a good one.